this is the giant masquerade parading in the city of Eke Edem-Ani, where the historical event of foundation laying of Eke Edem-Ani International Market is taking place. We have seen enough masquerade, but this one looks different. This one is bigger than other ones we have been seeing before. This is the biggest masquerade I have ever seen. Eke Edem-Ani. Wow! 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 This is... Ladies and gentlemen, this is another giant masquerade here in Eke Edem-Ani, where we are marking the foundation laying of Eke Edem-Ani International Market today. Eke Edem-Ani is located in Sukaroka government area of Enugu State. This is the biggest masquerade so far we have witnessed in this event. As I told you, my name is Sonny Mouse. I'm reporting for Guddoers Media on behalf of Tony Morris Award, all the way from Gateway Island. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. More masquerades are coming. More masquerades are still coming. The Igbo, His Royal Highness Samuel Ike Asado is a modern traditional ruler who is modernizing his community to embrace the modern traditional way of leadership. As I told you, we're here live to witness the ceremony live. The masquerade is coming towards my side. Should I run away? Oh no, I cannot run away.
Thank you
for the masquerade.
Thank you.
Thank you, masquerade.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Another one is coming. Another masquerade is coming. Another masquerade is coming.